Nangamaladi, welcome to Ask Aunty, Aunty Munya.
Yes.
A lot of people, particularly from the stolen generation, have asked us, how do they go about finding out more about their heritage and connecting with their heritage?
Yeah. Well, first of all, Carla, it's important for you to go and find out who your mob are and where they're from. And there's lots of ways you can do that by asking people, checking out your birth certificate, digging deeper. There's an organisation called Link Up, which helps Indigenous people get in touch with their heritage. Now, of course, there are some cases where their records are lost and people aren't quite sure. Then there's the spiritual route to go. And the fact that you're born of an Indigenous person in this country gives you that beginning, that connection to start with. And I always say to people when I'm taking people out on the bush and through country, learning to connect with the land, take your shoes and socks off and walk barefoot on the land, because in the Kimberley where I come from, I was taught when you walk on the land, the information comes up through the soles of your feet, information about land and country, so that you get that stronger sense of where your mob are from. But it's good to ask around too, because I've had stolen generation people come up to me before not knowing where they're from. And I've been able to, just by looking at their faces, I can tell which area of the country, which part of the nation they come from by the certain physical traits even. And I send them off to start there. And then if you've got a birth certificate that might say where you were born, start asking around there and people there. Do they remember, an Aboriginal mother giving birth to you at such and such a time? You'll find that a lot of our people have long memories. But there's another hilarious story I'll tell another time about one of our family members that came looking for us. But that's another story. But
got us intrigued now. And Aunty Munya, there's also IATSIS in Canberra. You can go and they have a research centre that will help you. And you've even done Ancestry.com, haven't you?
Oh, yeah. That's one of the first places I go. Thanks for mentioning that, Carla. It's just the genetic test, first of all, to establish whether you're descended biologically from an Aboriginal person. That's a great place to start. And also, the reason for that is a lot of our mob are now getting our DNA test. I've had mine done. So we're on a database now. And I've actually had people come to me because they find out they're related to me and have been trying to find their family, and I've been able to send the person in the right direction. So good luck with that. But don't forget, also here at Evolve, we might be able to help as well if you have any specifics to your case.
And we'll just have to wait with bated breath for that story.
Yeah, but go well.
Go well.
In Yirrgulgorna.